Hi, it's Jan Diatri. Here's what's happening in the 1 Minute Kitchen. Let's just call it Nutella Nirvana, shall we? Because that's what it is. Rice Krispie treats with a chocolatey twist. Here's what you'll need. Now you know these ingredients: Rice Krispies, marshmallows, and butter. But if you add Nutella and white chocolate, you're in for more than a Rice Krispie treat. Measure 3 tablespoons of butter and melt in a large pan. Then add 1 10-ounce package of mini marshmallows and stir until the marshmallows become a cream. Then remove from the stove. Soften 6 ounces of Nutella in the microwave for about 20 seconds and add it to the marshmallow cream, blending until well combined. Now add 6 ounces or 5 cups of Rice Krispies, stirring quickly for even coating. Then spoon it into a pan sprayed with cooking spray and press firmly, packing it evenly into the pan. Now melt another 8 ounces of Nutella and 8 ounces of white chocolate and drizzle both over the top of the Rice Krispies. With a chopstick or skewer, you can swirl the two to make a beautiful design. Then refrigerate for an hour or 2. Slice up the crispy treats and cut them into squares. It's a delicious twist on an old favorite, a Nutella treat that's hard to beat. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.